Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my friends. Hello, Mr. Dai. I want to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafael Fajri, NPM 2206052444. Today, I want to share about my opinion, about my answer, about quiz numerical methods. Number one is elaborate your understanding about of conscious thinking using the five concept. Nah, uh, in the second session of the numerical methods class, Mr. Day presented the DAI-5 framework for conscious thinking. This model include five core elements. Point number one is consciousness. Point number two is intention. Point number three is initial thinking. Point number four is idealization, and point number five is instruction. My opinion about my detailed explanation of each aspect is point number one is consciousness. Consciousness involves being aware of the current circumstance and context. In the context of numerical methods, this means recognize the initial condition and construct of a given problem. And point number two is intention. Intention is about defining clear objective for grasping and applying numerical principle. It serves the motivation and direction for targeting learning. Point number three is initial thinking. Initial thinking refers to the process of developing preliminary ideas and approach to tackle a problem. The initial thinking is include outlining basic step and identifying potential methods for resolution. Point number four is idealization. Idealization entails creating simplified models to represent complex phenomena. This is involve making assumption to make problem solving more manageable. Point number five is instruction. Instruction pertains to developing detailed structure steps or algorithm for solving numerical problems in an effective and efficient manner. Nah, my opinion about applying DAI-5 in numerical methods learning is the DAI-5 is approach promotes systematic thinking strategy. Concepts ensure understanding of context, intention, set precise goals, initial thinking, explore possible solution, idealization simplifies complex issues, and instruction provides concerted step for problem solving. And number two is consider a problem in engineering that is required to solve using numerical method. This problem is use DAI-5 to deal or solve this problem too. Nah, point number one is consciousness. Example is problem is determine beam deflection under a given load. Nah, point number two is intention. Intention is the objective is calculate deflection using FEM. And direction is use numerical methods for accurate modeling and solution. And point number three is initial thinking. Initial thinking is formulate preliminary ideas and approach. And point number four is idealization. Idealization is create simplified models. And point number five is interaction. Interaction is develop detail and the problem is develop. The problem is answer. Yeah. This approach enhances critical and creative thinking, crucial for solving numerical problems in engineering. Number three If there is value added of DAI5 use in your learning process, experienced learning, then explain it. Okay, I want to explain for number 3. The DAI5 framework enhances experiential learning by providing a structure and mindful approach to problem solving. The aspect adds value is point number 1 is consciousness. The value added of consciousness is promotes awareness of problem context and additional condition, preventing detail and ensuring a solid foundation. And point number 2 is intention. Intention is value added of intention is encourage clear goal setting and providing direction and motivation. Point number 3 is initial thinking. Initial thinking, the value added of initial thinking is stimulate generation of preliminary ideas and approach, fostering creativity and flexibility. And point number 4 is idealization. Idealization, the value added of idealization is simplifies complex problems into manageable model through justified assumption. In point number 5 is the value added of instruction is ensure methodical through problem solving through detail structure step. I want to give example about solving beam deflection using DAI5 is point number 1 is understand beam properties, load condition, and constraint. Point number 2, intention. The intention is set the goal to accurate calculate deflection using FEM. Point number 3 is initial thinking. Initial thinking example is formulate ideas on discretizing the beam and numerical methods. And point number 4 is idealization. Idealization is simplify the example problem with linear elasticity and small deflection assumption. And point number 5 is instruction. Instruction is develop step-by-step FEM procedure for a systematic solution. Point number 4 is do self-evaluation and write or muhasabah. Okay, I want to self-evaluation or muhasabah from myself. The introduction is self-education or muhasabah is crucial for me. It's crucial in Islam for personal reflection and growth. It helps align our action with Islamic techniques, ensuring we are continually improving. From Quranic guidance is in Surah Al-Hasyr. Surah Al-Hasyr and the hadith of muhasabah is from hadith from Umar ibnu Al bin Khattab. For personal muhasabah from me is number 1 is salat or prayer. Current state is perform obligatory prayers but sometimes like focus. The improvement by my prayer is enhance enhance contraction by understanding recitation and reducing distraction. Point number 2 is Quran recitation. My improvement is set a daily schedule for reciting and study its meanings. My conclusion about muhasabah is muhasabah reveal areas for improvement in worship, intention, and interaction. By following Quranic and Hadith guidance, I commit to continuous self improvement, seeking Allah pleasure. May Allah grant us the strength to improve and accept our effort. Amin. Okay, this is my opinion and my answer about my quiz methodical methods. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.